Hello everyone. Let us now discuss today's LeetCode POTD problem 2779 maximum beauty of an array after applying operation. So we are given with zero indexed array nums and an non-negative integer k. Now in one operation we can do that choose index I hasn't been chosen and before in the range of 0 to n minus 1. N is the length of nums. Now replace nums of I with any integer from nums of I minus k comma nums of I plus k. That means we are given with an array and an integer k. Now in this nums we can change taking any index and changing it to in the range of nums of I plus k, nums of I minus k, and our goal is to make equal elements and then return the size of subsequence, which is having a longest subsequence consisting of equal elements. So let us take the first example 4612 k is equal to 2. Here we are given with nums 4, 6 and 1, 2. Now we need to make equal elements. So we need to make a subsequence which are having equal elements. So let us see. Here 4 can go from 2 to 6 in this middle, and 6 can go from 4 to 8, and 1 can go from 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 to 1 plus 2 3. 2 minus 2 will be 0 and 2 plus 2 will be 4. If you see clearly, we need to make equal elements. Let us take 1. And firstly, if you see clearly, we are asked with subsequence and not sub array. We are asked with subsequence, so it will be better. The first observation is better to sort the array. So the first thing which we'll be doing is sorting the array, and after the sorting the array, let us take these elements again 1 2 4 6, and the maximum range and the minimum range will be -1 3 0 4 2 6 4 8. So let me make this like this is the minimum which can be when go. This is the maximum, and these are the nums given. So let us see. If you take 1, what is the thing it can go is 3. If you see, we can get a 3 here, and we can get a 3 here, and we cannot get a 3 here. So 3 is the first thing, and let us ignore this. Let us ignore this one, and let us take this. Let us take 2. What is the maximum which it can reach? It is 4, and we have a 4 here. If you see, 6 minus 1 is 5, and the maximum which we can reach is 2 into k, that is 4. Now our intuition is we will be going through a sliding window which will be having a subsequence having our start and our j. And if you see clearly, if we have a start here and then j here, if you see 1 minus 1 will be 0 and 2 into k is equal to 4. But wait, if you increment our j, 2 minus 1 is 1, which is not greater than 2 into k. But if you ask me why we are going through this condition, if nums of j minus nums of start is greater than 2 into k. If you see clearly, here it is 4, here it is 4. In this 6 minus 2, we are having 4 and 4. That means we are getting 2 into k. That means we can make these three elements as equal. So we are searching for these three elements, for this indices, then we can make our largest subsequence. So our intuition here is searching the largest subsequence. So how we can get the largest subsequence? Here we can get this largest subsequence only if 6 minus 2. If you see clearly, 4 and 4, these are equal. Imagine if we are having another elements at this index, even though are if these two difference is equal to or lesser than this 4, 2 into k, then it is the subsequence which we can consider. So here we will be returning 3 as the output. Now this is the example 1, and we are given with another example. Nums is equal to 1 1 1 1 and k is equal to 10. Here all the elements are equal, so we will be returning 4 as the output. If you see clearly, our intuition is firstly sort the array, and the second thing is search for subsequence whose uh, whose difference is equal to or lesser than 2 into k. Let me dry run with the same thing. 1 2 4 6. Here we can get minus 1 3 0 4 2 6 4 8. If we take 1, here we get 3, and we doesn't have the maximum element. So here 6 is the maximum element and 1 is the minimum element, and the maximum range, the minimum element can go the maximum range the minimum element can go is 3. If you see, 6 can be decremented to 4, but we cannot get to 3. So our intuition is to incrementing the start is so our intuition to increment our start is to not consider this first element. And if you go to 2, here we are having the maximum range the minimum element can go is now 4, and the minimum range the maximum element can go is also 4. Here the maximum element is 6. Here the maximum element is minimum element is 2. So by this, if we are having equal to or less than, then we can consider this subsequence. So this is the intuition behind this question. So you'll be getting the code in a few seconds. Share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.